Stop! Stop!
Tan 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 tan.
Why are you doing him?
Your head is so big. Now you do.
Okay guys, so exams are around the corner now. For real, they are. So everyone needs to pull up their socks.
Then what? I challenge you to peg pong. Challenge.
Oh, challenge on.
3, 2, 1. I got a bag of chicks up my sleeve.
Stop with the witchy vibes.
Why I'm useful.
Oh yeah, today is Youth Day, so happy Youth Day, everyone.
So I feel useful. You must be wondering what is in this little bag of ours. Let me block her.
Well, it is words. Well, actually, it's a bunch of words.
No, we're gonna need to make the noises of these, and I will rate him out of 10.
Yes, that's what we are doing.
Who will go first? Let's go.
Ching chang cha.
No.
You'll go first.
I was
Yes.
fine.
What? You got 2 right there.
This is 1.
This is 1. Oh. Like 2, my fault. Punching.
So how much did you rate me? Rate me!
What? Your sounds, you're rating your sounds, right?
Yeah.
That's equals 0. I'm saying 0. That doesn't sound like fighting or punching. Ouch! Do it like that. Okay, so taps normally make this.
They dripping!
Yes, yes. So how is my sound?
It was a 4. 4.
Nice to know. 4. But
Digging in the magic bag.
it was for my butt.
What? One last time.
How much was mine?
I don't know.
You can tally.
I don't know.
What is it?
I'm gonna go beep, 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 beep.
Don't worry, he normally does this. Okay, you guys know.
Beep.
No.
Beep.
That's enough. That's enough. Okay. I shall pick my last one.
A cat. That was so bad, really. That was. What a way. This isn't working.
Yeah.
I'll play you Ching Chong Chap
Don't play it again.
to leave this game and play cops and robbers.
Wait. So whoever wins, what happens? What happens to them?
I don't know.
No, in Ching Chong Chat.
Oh, we get to go play cops and robbers. No,
So if you
I
win-
win, I go play cops and robbers. If you win, we have to do it again.
Okay.
Ching Chong Chap. Yeah!
Fine.
I'm a criminal.
We all knew that.
Yeah. Yeah, the nearest donut shop is about, I mean, a mile from here. If you want to come. There he is! There he is! Stop! Stop! Like and subscribe, and we will catch you next time.